how's it going out there, everybody? This is Ryan over here at Cena Weevil Builds, bringing you guys the final for the Ford Truck Month build Tim Halsey had going. This is, I think, pretty much a year in the making. I started it back in July, so almost a year. This is a Ford Raptor snap tight kit. I don't know, I kind of went out on this one and did a bit of custom work, a bit of scratch work. Um, it's in an off-road kind of styling. I got a lot of solder work, the tire holder in the back. I got, let me stop moving it around so much. I got a fuel cell in the back, the radiator, photo etch fan. I got the tie downs for the tires. And thanks to Mr. Mini Dreams for actually helping me out with the set of tires for this. As you can see, I got the two spares in the back. And I don't know, I was just being lazy a while ago. I didn't want to get a second kit, so I noticed he did a kit and used some different tires, so I hit him up and yeah, he hooked me up with these tires, so appreciate that. I got some aftermarket stuff like the photo etch fan, tire decals, a couple other things. So thanks for stopping by, guys. I'm gonna try to make this one quick. I know this picture is kind of fuzzy, so check out the pictures there. I got a little slideshow, and I didn't get this one out sooner. I had it finished for probably about 2 months. I had this one, then I was on a roll, so I got that bug finished. I don't know if you guys saw the bug I did at 66 Beetle. And now I'm working on a Mercedes SLS AMG, kind of with the gull wing doors. And so I've just been rolling, guys, and I've been doing more building and making videos, so check this one out. I'm going to do kind of like a bench update, and I got a couple more things planned for the channel, so stay tuned, stay inspired, keep those videos pumping out, keep those builds rolling, guys. I've been watching everybody. If I don't get a chance to comment, I'm usually just in a playlist and I keep the videos going, so I try if I can, but thanks for all the replies, thanks for the thumbs up, guys. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.